Today I've got the ultimate insider's guide to making money online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just starting out, stick around because I'm going to share with you some serious knowledge about making money online. Let's get into it. Money makers, welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense to you. First up, we have Patreon. Now they pay. One thing about Patreon is a sweet deal, guys. You don't need any experience. And if you're a pro, you can jump on board and start right away. The great thing is that if you are into creating documents and protecting data in the healthcare environment, or you're virtual scribes for clinicians, this is a great opportunity for you in the US and Canada. And the pay is $17 to $45 an hour. Now to get started, click on the apply button, fill out the form, and boom, you're in. You're on your way to earning up to $45 an hour. Super Pay Me is up next. It's perfect for anyone, anywhere. So regardless of your location, this is the job for you. No computer, no problem. No specific location, no problem. Like I said, this is the job for you. They will pay you daily for answering surveys and even more. They will even pay you to refer friends. So if you have a referral, make that referral known and watch your money grow. But wait, there's more. Remote Task offers a remote environment and flexible work. Now this work will be anything from transcribing audios to labeling images. You may start small, but you can watch your money grow pretty fast over a short period of time. The way this works is if you learn easily, you'll learn how to do tasks with their quick online courses or their free hands-on training. After you've done that, you'll complete the task, which means you'll essentially just work on the task from projects that you have received. And then lastly, you will get paid through PayPal or AirTM. It's based on your quality and number of tasks completed. The main key here is to be efficient and effective in your job. And this is where it gets exciting. Homes Business Academy isn't about just making money. It's about creating a passive income stream. Join the community, get trained, and start making money today. They do have an affiliate program, and that program pays really nice at 80% commission. That is wonderful. But let's not forget Alpine. Here you get to work from home, enjoy paid holidays, and make up to $143,000 a year. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. The great thing about this company is many of the employees, if not all, are remote employees, and they have activities in person throughout the year so that the team can get together and collaborate and have some great fun. Another great thing about this company is they have a retirement program whereby they are actually matching dollars up to a certain percentage. That is a great incentive to work for this company. Next up is Cambly offers a unique opportunity to teach English online. No experience is required, and it's 100% remote. While you're helping people to learn, you can expect to earn anywhere from $700 a week and up. It's all dependent on how much time you have to devote to making this easy money. But again, a great opportunity, guys. Mireline is your way to making great money and financial freedom. You post ads, attract business owners, and watch your money grow. That's right, guys. You are really getting paid to help companies bring visitors to their website. So essentially, you are getting paid to help with traffic on any given client site. How easy is that? And you will watch your money grow daily. Great opportunity, right? I think so. And if you ever thought about becoming an author, Self-Publishing Titans got your back. Get access to top-notch tools and training and kickstart your writing career today. A little bit about how this works. You will be supplied with a range of banners and textual links that you place within your site. When a user clicks on one of those links, they will be brought to Self-Publishing Titans site where their activity will be tracked. Once they have been on the site for a minute, you will earn a commission. Now, who doesn't love free money? With free cash you are essentially doing the same thing as Super Pay Me. The only difference is you're downloading apps for games, you're doing surveys, completing offers, and that's the gist of it. The great thing also is that you get paid well. They are known to pay well, and they pay often, with bonuses included. Last but not least is the Chat Shop, which offers remote opportunities to chat online in various industries. You got it. You chat, multitask, and earn money from the comfort of your home. This is a great opportunity if you're looking for any role in customer service or sales in multiple industries, not just one. So there's variety here and a great opportunity if you don't mind chatting. And there you have it, folks. You have 10 opportunities to make great money, many of them paying daily from the comfort of your home. Not very complex work. Most of them do not require any experience, and they're willing to train you, again, from the comfort of your home. These incredible opportunities can be kick-started today. Remember though, the key here is consistency and determination. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this money. Please don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell so you are notified the next time a video is uploaded. Until next time,